I'm starting with the Christmas tree because once the tree is glowing, the whole house instantly feels magical. I always make sure that the branches are really puffed and everything looks full and sparkly from the inside out. I wanted a tree that felt cozy and elegant, so I'm keeping the colors pretty simple and I'm adding a little pop of red. A little shimmer, nothing too overwhelming, so it stays neutral. Next, I'm moving over to the fireplace area. I found this beautiful green garland and paired it with a second piece that has these soft gold accents. It's such a simple way to make the space feel lush without having too much to do.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased.
I always like to fluff the branches and pull some pieces forward. The fireplace is one of my favorite corners of the house right now.
Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories.
And before I start anything in the kitchen, I like to reset it. Just a quick clean makes such a difference. Then I like to move on to fresh flowers. They are a little bit of luxury, especially around the holidays. Even a small bouquet instantly makes the kitchen feel special. I like to keep the arrangement simple, just trimming the stems, popping them into a clear vase, and letting them be the star. It's such a nice contrast against all the greenery and Christmas decor. Once the flowers are ready, I move them over to the table. I'm not doing a full tablescape today. Sometimes one pretty arrangement and a few candles are all you need to make the space feel intentional and inviting. Now we're moving on to the most important part of the night, our hot chocolate station. This is a fun idea if you're hosting or honestly if it's just for you. Now let's make our hot chocolate extra rich. First, I add a little cornstarch and I whisk it really good. Then I add chocolate to make it super creamy and decadent.
The whole world is white, there's snow everywhere. It was on a cold Christmas Eve, you came into this world. We were all up, holding our breaths till the word came of.
Everything is done. The house feels so warm and festive. Thank you for spending this cozy Christmas day with me. If you enjoyed this decorate and prep with me, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how you're decorating your home this year. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.